Yeah, it looks pretty. All right, see you inside. Beautiful, beautiful. Looking north, God, that's nice. Look at it. Beautiful. Making everybody leave. Too many boards, just tape.
Our antenna's not up, that's why this is so bad.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm putting galvanized in front of that.
Woo! Coming into town. Fishing. Never seen this before. Have you? Guy's looking for goddamn. He's shrimping.
The water's pouring out.
So I'm still at Surf City. I was in the eye for 2 hours. I don't know how good that picture came out inside my cell. Got 2 policemen removing the roadblock. The ones that gave me a personal escort out to the island. I just don't know yet. I'll have to see. It was maybe 4 feet above sea level here. I had a guy standing there with... Where was that?